Alright, what's up guys? So yesterday, or the day before, I got a new tactical pin just because I wanted to. So this is made by the Atomic Bear, and if I could actually unbox the darn thing, it'd be nice. Oops. And it rips. There we go. Wow, that was really bad. This is the Atomic Bear Swat pin. Now, at first glance, this thing is very grippy. Ooh, and it has a nice glass breaker on the end. For 20 bucks, this is pretty cool. It has a nice little clip, so it'll go on any type of material, jeans, khakis, shorts, pretty easily. So yeah, this is the Atomic Bear Swat pin, and so far I like the grip texture, and like I said, I like the stabby glass breaker at the end. Peace.